It's a common problem in the field that you seal up your enclosure in a humid environment, and later on in the year, you get condensation inside, which can cause corrosion on connections. I'm going to show you an easy way to prevent that. Inside your Field Temp Logger enclosure, you're going to find a bag like this or very similar that has desiccant in it. The purpose of this is to absorb any moisture that's trapped in the case and help prevent condensation inside the case to prolong the life of the electronics inside, help prevent any corrosion, and it's just generally good to keep these things at a low humidity. This desiccant, this particular pack, has a window on the front so you can see, and it says when the blue turns pink, this needs to be recharged. On the back of the pack, we have instructions for an oven, for setting it on a radiator, or putting it in a microwave for a few minutes. So this pack right now is blue. We're ready to go. All you have to do is drop it in, either by the battery, if you have a solar or external power, or you can even just set it on top there when you're going to deploy this in the field. When you go to service the instrument, it's a good idea to take another one of these with you and swap them out, or if you're going to be doing several services, you can recharge these back at the hotel that night. Doing this simple maintenance step helps increase the life of your logger and ensure years of reliable operation. If you have any questions, don't forget to check out our other videos, documentation, or send an email to our support team.